Welcome to Aurangabad. This is one of my favorite cities because I really love caves, and if you're into that kind of activities, you have to come to Aurangabad. But that's not going to be possible without staying in a great hotel like this. I'm going to ask our staff to tell you a little bit about this lovely hotel.
Welcome to Hotel Panchavati Center in Aurangabad. It is very close to train station, only less than 1 kilometer. Very close to bus station, less than 1 kilometer. Here we have lots of things to do. It's very safe.
So one of the great things about the hallway I love is how bright it is and how friendly and how warm it is. And it's definitely a different attraction that you should come and see. For example, caves. Very famous Ajanta caves. And also other attractions, for example, the fort. And other things, very famous, Baby Taj, which is not far from here. Really close by, and it's not expensive either. Alright, this is a very typical room that they have, and I really enjoy the fact that all the beds are very comfortable. Also, towels, including your reservation, along with the soaps, shampoos, and all the essential amenities. Now, the great thing about this hotel is, even though it's budget, they have full room service, and the price here is actually very reasonable. And all the rooms come with water, and if you want to just stay here and relax, there is lots of English channels and international channels, as well as the local channels here. Every room also gets you a shoe cleaner. Really important, since India is a bit dusty. So, a little bonus. But what's important to me is, once again, very clean bathrooms right here, hot water shower 24 hours in every single room, and amazing cleanliness. Now there's many options. This room is very similar, but there's, if you like quiet side, this is the back side right here. So welcome to the 2 single rooms. So in this case, you get 2 single bed, very comfortable. Same thing. You can get your towels, you can get your other accessories, including the price of your room. So this is a very nice and cozy and clean restaurant located right inside the hotel. And the great thing is, it's open 6:30 in the morning to 11 at night. So you can wake up early and get ready for the cave adventure and have breakfast here. The prices are very competitive and reasonable, and it's the same price for Indians as for foreigners. There's so many people I like to thank, including the owner of this lovely travel agency here.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to Ashoka Tour and Travels. Can we are help you for train ticket, bus ticket, air ticket, good condition car service for all over India? Please contact me.